Being broke is painful, but being stuck is even worse. You know that feeling that nothing's going to change for you ever. Every month ends before it starts. That's when hopelessness kicks in. I am leveraging a game-changing industry using social media platforms. I purchased a high-in-demand online business. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a proper business opportunity that makes me 100% profit with no overheads, no recruiting, and no inventory. It's ideal for people that are economically active. Because to own this business is not free. There's a once-off cost involved. But once you set it up, all marketing costs are free of charge. Comment enough and I will send you the blueprint on how to move forward.